Hello there, welcome back to Thompson Leisure TV. The lovely Charlotte is off on holiday, so you're stuck with me for a couple of weeks, but just wanted to introduce this Rapido Treble 6. On a Fiat chassis, it's a 2024 model. We'll take a wee look around the outside of the vehicle and then we'll go ahead and jump inside and point out some inside features as well. Starting off up here, we have the full LED technology headlights. Nice feature. You've got daytime running lights and stuff there. Making our way around the back of the van, you've got the lovely Rapido graphics. Treble 6, with being the German layout, has the sort of high singles layout. Has a massive garage, so if you want to come around, take a wee nosy at this. And in there as well, then you've got your outside shower point. Okay, so round the back of the van here, I love the back end on these. It's a lovely design. You've got a sort of carbon-like design here. Just looks the part. And also you have your wide-angle lens reverse camera there. It's lovely on a big screen on the inside. Onto the passenger side of the van then, we've got this big garage door into the other side of the garage. Very similar, just another opening there. We have the water infill for fresh water. Your toilet cassette is here, set for toilet cassette. Your tube exhaust for the heating system and your electric hookup as well. And last but not least, your gas lockers there. So 2 gas bottles in this van. So onto the inside of the Rapido Treble 6. So I mentioned at the start of the video, this is a Fiat chassis. This particular van is 6-speed manual. This one has an electric parking brake here. You have a full digital dash and your media system here as well. Big screen. Okay, so onto the sort of lounge area in this van. First thing to note, you've got this big full sky view. Lets in loads of natural light, which is great. We have the open lounge layout, and your table here is telescopic, so it drops down and forms this sort of 3rd/4th berth, and it also flicks over as well. Okay, so onto the kitchen area, you have this lovely 3 gas hob. You've got a big sink, and your tap sort of moves around so you can get in and out of that. Whenever you're traveling, these drawers lock, and then whenever you're stopped, and you can get in and out of those, which is a nice feature from Rapido. On the fridge side of things, you've got this big freezer and lovely big fridge. Just above that then you've got your combi oven and grill from Thetford. Rotation door, you have your control panel here and your Truma heating panel. Okay, so here we are into the bathroom and bedroom side of things. We've got this lovely door that splits everything up, saying when it's come to night time, somebody wants to finish a glass of wine in the lounge, somebody wants to go to bed, you can sort of section that off, which is handy. On this side we've got this sort of big shower area. You have a split shower and toilet here, so showers on the right and this folding sort of shower door then, and then on the left side we've got the bathroom. We'll show that next. So on to the bedroom, loads of storage back here, overhead and also under the bed as well. Then you have these big sort of storage areas, which is great. You can never have enough. You've got your 2 single beds. Around us we've also got sort of reading lights, and then also there's these doors as well, so they also section up the van as well. Okay, so a very brief overview of our Treble 6. Full spec is available on the website. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm Robin and my email is robin@thompsonleisure.com, or you can give me a call. It's 078 49 911 573. Cheers.